The U.S. on Tuesday announced new tariffs on a variety of imports from China, including electric vehicles, lithium batteries, photovoltaic cells, critical minerals, semiconductors, steel, and aluminum. The additional levy will cause tariffs on Chinese EV imports to rise to 100% this year. A Nairobi-based economist said the U.S. move shows how politics overrides innovation, noting that protectionism will harm the global decarbonization trends and industry growth.
We are seeing politics overriding innovation. Everybody believes that it's the time to decarbonize the world, so that we move away from fossil fuels, coal, gas, petrol, diesel, and so on. And one of the ways to do that is through electric vehicles. And China happens to be doing well in that area. So what we need to do is not worry so much about who produces electric cars, but who contributes most to decarbonizing the transport system. And we hope other countries will not follow the American example, because global warming, climatic change affects everybody. I think protectionism should not be the best way to deal with China. I think innovations, wherever they come from, whether they come from China, whether they come from whichever country, should be adopted by any country in the world. Because in the long run, everybody benefits. Protectionism is not the best way to mock or to encourage an industry to grow. The best way is to have innovations. And that happens to be what we are getting from China. So let's not bring politics into innovation. Let's adopt innovations that are going to help the world rely less on carbon, on fossil fuels. And anybody who can help the world deal with the decarbonizing, anybody who can help the world reduce global warming, climatic change, should be supported, whether it is China or whichever country.